Today, my mood is red.
Refreshment Center on Bosch refrigerators. Featuring an easy-to-view, simple-to-reach glass display drawer. Pre-programmed settings let you set the optimal temperature for a variety of refreshments without guesswork. Stay organized and free up refrigerator space by storing up to 35 standard beverage cans. Refreshment Center also works as your own personal wine cellar, integrated right inside your refrigerator, and can easily accommodate a range of beverage shapes and sizes, including oversized. And with Home Connect, get convenient alerts on your phone. The Refreshment Center refrigerator also features a stunning interior cavity that puts your fresh foods on display, including an adaptable flex bar that ingeniously makes use of unused space. With freshness features like multi-airflow to maintain consistent temperatures throughout, and an air fresh filter to keep refrigerator air fresh. Refreshments in view and in reach. the new Bosch Refreshment Center refrigerator. Part of the Bosch Refrigerator collection. Bosch, invented for life.